Using any company to provide you with the chemical products necessary to maintain your business requires a large amount of trust. Making sure that an experienced and accurate team is behind the production of the products you purchase is crucial to meeting expectations. Here at State, we take pride in our production process and quality control team, and would like to share with you why you can trust us to deliver on high-quality products that perform as they're engineered to. With us today is our Vice President of Operations, Keith Clouston, to communicate our high standards and how we make sure that you receive what you order. Let's hear what he has to say.
In 2023, we produced over 60 million pounds of chemical. Those got packaged into anything from a 2-ounce metal can all the way to a tanker truck or a rail car and everything in between. Our teams complete more than 100 production jobs a week, and that could entail packaging 4 55-gallon drums of degreaser all the way to 1,000 5-gallon pails of dish machine detergent. Every production job we complete is checked both manually and systematically for key quality attributes. From a manual standpoint, we have quality control technicians coming down to our production lines and examining for key critical attributes. And on the systematic side, we literally have vision systems checking for cap torque, label placement, lot code, and we check weigh every single bottle to make sure we have the right amount of product in the bottle for your customer. I can confidently say we inspect every single bottle going out the door so our customer gets what they want. We typically meet or exceed research and development specifications 98% of the time, the first time we do quality control checks. Our quality control team goes down to the production floor and looks at every product that we make.
For more information regarding our company and the services we provide, visit www.stateindustrial.com. Feel free to reach out with any questions using the Contact Us link in the description or on our website.